Hi, I'm Eden Carey and I'm going to show you how to use the Animate and Recording feature in Keynote on your iPad. I've already created a couple of slides. Very easy to do. Add your title screen, type in your titles and your subtitles. Hitting the bottom left corner, which is this tool here, you can add more slides. And as you can see, you can add some pictures, you can add some text, whatever you'd like to suit. I've already created my second slide here, and I've added a picture of a monkey. I've also already added my audio. As you can see, I have my audio tab already there, and that just reads out the text. To add some audio, all you need to do is hit on the plus button on the top right hand corner and then select record audio, and that will record the audio for that particular slide. What I want to do now is do some animation to this slide. So I can just tap on the objects or tap on the text or the objects, and when I single tap, you will see this menu button appear: cut, copy, delete, comment, link, or animate. So I'm going to tap on animate. This is when it pops up to a different display, and I can do a build-in animation and a build-out animation. I want this to build in, and I just select the particular animation that I would like for it to play. So I click on play just to preview it, and if I'm not happy with it, I can try something else. Again, preview it, and I decide which one I would like. At the bottom, you can see that this is already in the effects tab. I can go to options and I can alter the animation that I've selected. How long the animation goes for, which is the duration at the moment, 50 seconds, 0.5 seconds. From the left, is it from the right, or is it going to be random? Also, the start build can be on tap, which means if I click or tap on the screen, or if it's going to be after a transition, which means it's from the previous slide. And then how long of a delay is that going to occur with? The delivery is how many of the objects on the page is going to happen. Is it all at once, or the paragraph? We can choose there. And lastly, the order. At the moment, I only have one animation selected, so that order is just the first one, because it's the first animation that I've done. We just tap out of that one and hit done. I can then click on the monkey, and again I have the same options appear. I'm going to go to Animate. Again, we have the options of build in and build out. Now for this example, I'm not going to use the build out function because I want the objects to stay on the screen. However, if you wanted the objects to move off the screen and not be seen, then you might want to choose a build out effect afterwards. For now, I'm going to choose the build in effect, and I'm going to have this one jump right down. So I'm going to select a particular drop function and see what that one looks like. And so he's dropping down like a bouncing monkey. At the bottom again, I've got options where I can change how long that bouncing goes for, the duration, 1 second. And again, I've got on tap or after previous build. So the text is going to arrive first and then the monkey is going to appear. Alternatively, I can use with, so the text and the monkey appears at the same time. I have my order as well, and this goes in the order that I tapped it in. So I did the text first and then I did the monkey. However, I can tap and hold and I can move the orders around. So now the monkey is going to drop first and then the text. So I can move this around to what I decide to have this in. Once you're happy, you just hit done. And I've finished my animation. Once I'm happy, I can have a look. I can play through the whole slide.
A monkey weighs a monkey to find out how much a monkey weighs. If a monkey weighs 750 grams and 2/3 of a monkey, how much does a monkey weigh?
And if I'm happy with that one, I hit on the little dots and I'm going to export. So I hit on export and I have a choice: PDF, PowerPoint, images, or movie. I'm going to choose movie because this is going to export it into a video and it's going to have a nice slide the whole way through. It gives me an option to the resolution 1080p and how quick I go from the other slides. And this has the default options. Otherwise, I can adjust these by hitting the plus and minus tabs. Once I'm happy, hit export, and this is going to save to your camera roll. From there, you can share, AirDrop, or save to a OneDrive, OneNote, or any app to distribute it to the suitable person. Enjoy!